Hello, this is Cooking with Chris. Okay, this is a raw style. You know what I'm saying? We just gotta do shit a little different, a little natural because we have a special guest today. We have Crazy Coco Kayla, who actually, speaking of which, that's what we're making today. We're making hot cocoa fresh from scratch because when you're cooking with Chris, everything is just fresh. So you're gonna need your ingredients first. You're gonna need your Snickers bar. Now, what y'all thinking is how? It don't matter. It just doesn't matter, right? You can either have your options today, okay? You got your expired milk, fresh expired milk, or you got your government officiated water, which is also pretty good for you. But you know, we're just gonna work out with these ingredients. You know what I'm saying? But what you're gonna do here is grab your fresh sauce pans. Of course, to desensitize and everything like that, because that's what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta. It's best to desensitize these things with urine. Yep, urinated. So what we're gonna do is, it's already set. Actually, it's supposed to be on medium. Let's set that to medium. Anyway, and what else you're gonna do? Is put the fresh expired milk on the saucepan, like so. Almost as if, you know. Just imagine. Alrighty. Alright. She spilled milk. Goddamn. Anyway, so we're gonna move over here because I didn't like the way that was. So now we got the milk in there. All you're gonna do is just give it a nice little stir and keep that consistency just going, because we're not here to make a milk omelet. Hot. Now that we got that going, let's just take a little orange juice break. I actually think orange juice and milk go together. We'll figure that out. Now, I'm pouring the milk. Hold up, I actually gotta look at this shit so I won't. Bam, presto. That's perfect. Look at that. Nice, hot, and ready. And now, we're gonna put in the main ingredient. The Snickers bar. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Yep. Put this away. Now for the taste test. Four. Surprisingly, that's actually good. Well, I mean, I'm an expert, so we do these things. So tune in for next time. Cooking with Chris, featuring Crazy Coco Caleb, who believe I couldn't meet. I make it.
Now we trapping up the mosh. Now we trapping up the mosh. Yeah, I'm on your block, bitch.